Let me just chat with my husband on it.
Yep, perfect. Get that over to me and I'll have this thing to you here shortly.
Okay.
Sold.
Another one. 9 out of 12. You know what? This was a tough one. It took 2.5 hours. Good afternoon, everybody. The final Dispo Day of 2024, where we're going to find out if I continue my record. What I'm going to do is I'm going to try to sell this just using the free version of Investorlift. I know a lot of you guys, we opened up a free version. It's light, so it doesn't come with buyers. It gives you the ability to post deals, though, and you can work God mode. You can't export from God mode, but you can use God mode. Will, tell us a little bit about yourself, your business, and then let's talk about your deal.
Closed my first deal March 1st. And now I'm approaching 50 for the year. Picked up some steam. Investorlift has helped a lot. I can't lie there. So helped me bring in a lot of local investors to the area.
Give Will some fire emojis in the chat. Guys, from 0 to 50 deals in 1 year. That is incredible. Tell us a little bit about this deal. We got 72 views on it so far, so that's pretty solid. 1,200 square feet, 3-2. Will, tell us a little bit about how did you get this deal? What's the situation?
Yeah, it's rare. It's not a common deal that you're going to come across. Reason we're getting this one is because of probate. That's pretty much how you're going to get one in this specific area.
It's a good area then?
Euclid's a good area. That's a place I'd raise a family. Owner occupied, so not tenant occupied, well taken care of.
Let's pull Bryce up, dude. Invite Bryce
Bringing him up. Bryce, I hope you have a shirt on.
Our mad scientist. Welcome,
Hey,
Bryce. The last algorithm you did, 62,000 in 24 hours. Can you explain to everyone here kind of like our approach on how we're developing the AI, how it works?
Essentially what we're doing is how people are navigating Investorlift, and we're using that to try to really lock them into like what is their market, what are the properties they're looking at, so that we can then take those properties and we can give them, maybe you haven't seen them before.
You can go look up the traffic that foxnews.com, cnn.com, newyorktimes.com, and wallstreetjournal.com get. If you combine all of those, each month we get more traffic to Investorlift than all of those combined. Looks at all of that, and then within seconds spits out, here are the guys that look like they're most interested in your deal based on what they've been doing on the site. Okay, Bryce, you ready to go see this thing live? How solid is your ARV? It seemed like a little bit high for me. Were you stretching it up a little bit, or?
You could easily say 160 to be on the safe side. I think 160 is 100%. I think 170 is achievable.
First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let this rip to some more buyers. So we got the deal posted, and I've sent out a couple campaigns. I'm gonna go a little bit bigger here on text. I can go a little bit bigger. I warmed it up to about 500. You guys, what I'm talking about, by the way, you don't want to go too big with your email too quick. You want to like start small and then slowly increase it. I think I can get away with 1,000 on this blast. Okay, so this will trigger our leads to start coming in. Is our leads come in? You see, look at this. This MMS campaign, 14% click-through rate already. I just sent this. Like I just sent this 30 minutes ago. But I'm gonna let this simmer and let's go call some AI buyers. Our first match on the AI buyers is Harris. Let's give this guy a call and see what this AI can do.
Hello, this is Rick.
Hey Rick, this is Will with Legacy Home Buyers. How you doing?
Good. How can I help you?
Hey, I was calling. I actually got your information off of Investorlift here that you were looking to potentially buy some properties around the Cleveland area. Are you still interested in picking up some properties in that area?
I do buy in this area. I'm not currently in the market, but I'm always looking to be on people's lists. Yeah, I'm looking to close a deal here in the next month or so, and then I might be back in the market probably around spring or so.
Around springtime? Okay. No, that's no problem at all. Yeah, I got this property over in Euclid. It's a 3-2 brick ranch over on just wanted to reach out. I'm trying to get this deal moved, before year's end, ideally today. Figured I'd reach out to see if it was something you might be interested in purchasing or looking at.
I'm more a small multifamily guy.
Okay, so you're looking more to multifamilies?
Yeah.
Awesome. Yeah, that's no problem at all. I can get you added to our dispositions list, though. You said you're looking to buy more towards springtime for a new multifamily?
Yeah, that'd be great. I can give you an email. You can put it on that list.
Awesome, man. All right, man. I really appreciate it. I'm going to get you added to my disposition list, and we could probably get something together hopefully this spring, man. I'm looking forward to it.
Cool. Sounds good. What's your name again?
My name's Will. All right, man. I really appreciate it, man. I'll talk to you. Merry Christmas.
Okay, so active in this market, a little bit of a mismatch on property type, but I think we can probably attack that a little bit, Bryce, on the next iteration.
I mean, a lot of people, they like multis.
They go back and forth.
They go back and forth. Everybody thinks multis is better. I think single families are better personally, but hey, what's going on, Braylon? How you doing?
Doing good, man.
Hey man, I just wanted to reach out. I don't know if you've seen, I got this new deal in Euclid. This 3-2 single family home brick ranch. Did you get a chance to look at that? I think I shipped it over to you.
I don't know if that was from you or someone else.
Okay. Yeah, because I had a couple walkthroughs yesterday. I'm getting offers in today. I remember talking to you a couple weeks ago, so I wanted to at least reach out and get it in front of your face to see. I'm looking to accept an offer probably today, but I know we had talked a couple weeks ago, so I didn't want to let you slip out underneath it and not get a chance at it.
I did look at this one day. My partner sent this to me.
Just what'd you think about it?
Yeah, we're gonna. Well, I need to make sure everything goes smoothly with closing though.
No, absolutely, man. Well, hey, man, if anything falls through, keep me posted. And if not, if you got any buddies that are looking to buy, let me know. You can send them my way, and we can get something happen, man.
He's local in the area, active.
Yeah. I've spoken with him about a couple of deals. He had one of my deals in Maple Heights. He wanted to get. We couldn't get to an agreement on price, and then I ended up selling that one today for a little bit more. So,
Bryce,
no,
you're
these
doing
are
a
all
pretty good
people
job so far.
These are all people that I work with, so that's pretty good that it's pulling these guys up.
Speaking.
Hey, Ken, this is Will with Legacy Home Buyers. I was calling. I actually got your information off Investorlift. Said that you're looking to potentially buy a couple properties in the Cleveland area. Are you still interested in doing that? What do you typically buy? Do you buy a lot around here, or one at a time, or?
Really looking for duplexes, multi-family units,
Mm-hmm.
2 at a time.
I do got actually a duplex over in that area. I don't know if you're hard set on not buying anything by the end of the year, but I just got one signed today, a multifamily. Probably sending it out about 30,000. Is it something that you might be interested in looking at?
Something.
Sweet, man. All right, I'm gonna send that over to you. I just got that one. I'm getting it signed right now. You're gonna get first look at it. Awesome, man. I appreciate it. I'll send it over to you now.
Nice. We may be able to pull off what we did 2 weeks ago and sell 3 properties on one call. We should start following up with the leads.
No.
Hey, Dennis, this is Robert Wensley from Investorlift calling. Reason I'm reaching out, I saw you're a pretty active investor in the Cleveland, Ohio area.
Yes,
Are
sir.
you still looking for deals, looking to acquire anything in that area?
That's all we're doing right now is Cleveland.
Amazing. So I got this really hot deal today. I'm looking to move it. It's right outside Cleveland in Euclid. It's a brick ranch, finished basement, full bath in the basement with a fireplace.
You say it's a 3-2?
3-2, 1,250 square feet.
The link to, is it on Investorlift?
Yeah, I'll send it to you right now. I'm gonna have my
Yeah,
my
text me the
dispo
link and I'll
manager.
Analyze it and I will get back to you.
If I send this over to you right now, how quickly are you able to make a decision? Yes or no?
Probably first thing in the morning.
Oh, this one's a hot one, so I'm probably gonna sell it today. Is there any chance you could take a look at it right now?
You know, possibly if I can get a hold of him. Pretty active family guy. So
Yeah.
I'll let you know regardless.
Okay, beautiful. Thanks so much. Appreciate it. I'll fire it over right now. Yeah, let's go. That was perfect buyer. Perfect buyer. I'm gonna do like 3 or 4 calls on Artemis mode. Then I'm gonna circle back. I'm gonna hit our offers and see how high we can push these offers. You can do this even on the free version of Investorlift. So these are all the guys that have been looking at my deal.
Even on Investorlift Lite, you guys can unlock buyers with credits. So if Gary was locked there, we have another one that's locked. You actually can't see their names and emails and phone numbers yet. But Robert, you want to unlock that buyer there?
Yeah, so I just unlocked this guy. We used to charge $50. I dropped it to $5. So like for $5, I just unlocked this guy. He's made an offer literally right down the street. So perfect buyer.
And if you guys are wondering why it's so easy to connect with buyers through Artemis mode, the check mark next to the phone number, that means it's been 2-factor authenticated.
Hey, Gary, this is Robert Wensley from Investorlift. Reason I'm reaching out is I see you're an active investor in the Ohio market. I get a pretty hot deal right outside of Ohio that I'm looking to move. Are you looking to buy some deals in the area right now?
Well, what's the ask? The asking price?
Yeah, so the property, it's in Euclid. It's 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. Currently, the property is vacant. Pretty good shape.
Before I can actually sign a contract, it's going to take me a few days. I'm in New Jersey right now.
Gotcha.
I'm closing in Texas on Friday. I just actually bought a property in Euclid on Monday.
Oh, awesome. Did you find that one on Investorlift?
Yeah, I got it through Investorlift, but it's tenant occupied, so I don't have to be there right now.
Yeah.
So I'm headed to Texas, and then when I come back to Texas, I can see about putting something under contract if it's still available. But that's my price range.
Okay, here's what I'm going to do, Gary. I'm going to have my discipline manager, Will. He's going to text you the property address. It has all the photos and stuff. Let me know if you want to do that deal that we just talked about on this. If you can let me know, I might be able to push this through for you.
You said the closing can occur January 15th?
January 15th, yeah, or before.
Oh, yeah, shoot it over because that time frame works.
Okay, we might have someone here. All right, Will's going to send it over. Give me a ring back in 15 minutes or so. Let me know if like this deal pencils out for you on your end.
There you go.
Love it.
Let's do it.
All right. Thanks, Gary. We'll text out right now. Talk to you soon. I'm going to go call those 3 offers, see if I can push up those 3 offers. And then hopefully by then, Gary has time to look at this.
Hello?
Hey, Kate, this is Robert Wensley from Investorlift calling. I saw that you submitted an offer on a property that we have for sale in Euclid, Ohio.
Oh, yes, I want to get more information.
Awesome. Yeah. So it's a 3-2, 1,250 square feet.
Yeah, what kind of closing are you looking at?
Yeah. So closing date is scheduled for January 15th or earlier.
Is it, did you say it was owner occupied?
It is currently vacant.
And when do you think you'll have the kind of the report?
Probably
After Christmas, just because of due to the holiday, I would assume.
Yeah, it'll probably be coming in after Christmas. We do have 3 offers that have come in on this today, though. So we do anticipate that it will sell today. Is this something you'd be able to buy without waiting for that information to come through, or?
Yeah, I could. I was just curious.
Yeah.
Wanted to ask, do you have more photos? Because what I saw online was not like, I think there was like 20 pictures.
Yeah, we got about 100 photos. Will's going to send over a link to you. He's my discipline manager on this. I am looking to sell this before I get out of the office in the next 15 minutes. If the photos look good and everything, do you think you'd be able to be at or near that asking price?
So yeah, send me the pictures and I'll take a look at it.
All right, let's go. Let's go pay for some Christmas gifts here for you, Kate. All right, hopefully we can make some money on this. I'll give you a ring back in the next 10, 15 minutes. Does that sound good?
Sure, but send me the photos so I can
Sure.
have a look.
Yeah, we'll send them right now. You should have them any second. All right, we're gonna sell this thing. Okay, I say we do a couple more calls, and then we're gonna call Kate back, and we're gonna sell her this deal. No answer from Kate. Breaking my heart. Let's go hit a few more on Artemis mode, and then I think we call back that guy with the creative. Gary, yeah, Gary.
Hey, Robert,
Gary, I got some good news for you.
what's up?
So I got a couple offers in the 90s, but Will here, who has the deal under contract, he's also really curious to try this deal strategy.
When I look at the comps in the area
Yeah.
for the square footage, it looks like it's more like 140 to 50.
Yeah, I mean, if you do a light rehab, for sure. I mean, 170 is going to be full rehab. I wouldn't do a full rehab on this, so.
That's why I typically don't go all in on these. It's just get them a little bit better. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I got the other deals in the works as well. Like, dude, Investorlift works so fucking good.
This is a hot one. I mean, I know there's a lot of deals, but this one's, the nice thing about this one is it's in great shape.
You didn't catch me at the greatest time with the holidays coming up. I like the January 15th closing date.
This one's got a bidding war going on it. That's why I can't go below 98.
All right, let's meet in the middle at 120 with a 20% allowance that goes to 96.
120, 20% allowance, 96. All right, let me check with Will real quick. I think he's going to give me pushback on this, but let me see. Will.
No, I can't do it. I can get him at 95. I can get 95 hard money. I can do it. There's no way. I want to try it. I do, but I can't do it.
Hey, Will, let me 3-way you in here. Gary, I got Will on here.
Hey, Gary, good, pleasure to meet you.
Feet bigger, but that's I can easily see 155, 150 minimum. I don't see 140.
I think I can get 95.
Multiple offers.
I'm actually negotiating with Kate right now. I think I have her at 95. She's just verifying.
10, 15 minutes. I'll put it in to see if they'll spit out a pre-approval for me. Cool. Talk to you then.
All right, man.
All right, thanks, guys. Talk to you soon. I think we got Kate.
That's how you sell a deal.
Yeah. Good job on that call. Great job. Hey, Kate, this is Robert Wednesday. I have my discipline manager on the other line. I figured I'd just pull him in and see if we can get a deal done here.
Hi, Kate. How are you?
Hi, Will. Is there a leak in the basement and in one of the rooms upstairs?
No active leaks, no active damage, no active problem. I'm probably going to accept something here in the next 10, 15 minutes just to give you full transparency. It's just kind of the way I work.
If you have a 95 offer, I guess I'll go in at 95.5 and then I'll leave that with you. You can do whatever you want with it.
Is there any chance you can come up to the 98? Can we get this thing done and squared away instead of me going with you 95.5 and then he goes, well, I'll do 96. And then you go, well, can we just get this thing done, 98, and I'll get a contract to you in about 10 minutes?
Okay, let me just chat with my husband on it.
Go ahead, take 2 seconds.
We're literally at dinner right now. So should I text you or like should I text this?
Why don't you just chat with him right now if he's there? Do you want to just chat right now? We were literally putting the DocuSign together, and I was like, "What? Well, Kate just messaged me back. Let's hang on a second." So we're just both trying to get out of the office here. Always keep the buyer on. You know, the callbacks. That's how you lose deals. I got my confetti blaster ready. I think she's gonna do it. Will's a good negotiator. Will, you're a natural.
Let's do 97.
97? We're gonna nickel and dime it, huh?
It sounds like you're nickeling and diming.
I'm all I'm trying to do is I got 5 people competing for this. I'm just looking for asks so I can be done. I'm ready to be done.
Yeah, Kate, realistically, it's gonna, if we don't sell it tonight, it's gonna sell tomorrow in the low hundreds. So like we're literally just trying to get out of the office. So like it would be a hard 98.
Okay, that's fine.
98. We'll send over the contract.
I think it still makes sense. Yeah.
All right. We'll fire. What's the best email to send the contract to?
Yep, perfect. Get that over to me and I'll have this thing to you here shortly.
Okay.
Beautiful. Thanks so much, Kate.
Let's go.
Sold.
Another one. Whoa. What? You know what? This was a tough one. It took 2.5 hours.
Hell yeah.
Off another one.
There we go. That's how you sell a deal.
Let's go.
That's top
That was a
negotiating.
tough one. That was a tough one. 2.5 hours. Well,
Great
how much
job,
did you make
guys.
on that deal?
That's a 15K fee right there.
15K rip. Let's go. We held strong to our price. We did it. It shows what's possible. And we did that with the free version of Investorlift.
Impressive. Very impressive. That was a
Hell
lot
yeah.
of fun. That was fun. I love selling.
We got some giveaways. So drop a fire emoji if you want to win a free upgrade on Investorlift.
All right.
And
Here's
you know
your
what, David?
message
Since it's
time.
Christmas, let's give away three upgrades.
All right. I'm going to start the countdown. 3, 2, 1. The winner is Azriz
Azriz.
and
Courtney.
Tori.
Corey, congratulations. You guys just won a free upgrade on Investorlift for a month. If you're on the free version, you're moving up to Pro. If you're on Pro, you're moving up to Falcon. If you're on Falcon, you're moving up to Lieutenant. And if you're on Lieutenant, you're moving up to full cartel mode, unlock 5.7 million buyers. We did that all with the free version of Investorlift. Probably spent maybe $200 unlocking buyers, doing some deal blasts. But this just shows me that, it shows everyone, I think this is proof that as of this week, you no longer need to pay a JV partner, a JV fee ever again if you don't have buyers. That's why we opened up the free version of Investorlift. Because if you just got a deal here or a deal there, instead of paying someone else 30, 40, 50% of your assignment fee, you just come on, pay as you go. Grab some buyers here, grab some buyers there, and just use what you need. Spend what you need to go get the deal sent. I maybe spent $200 on this deal, sold it. Will made $15,000 rip in 2.5 hours. You do that every day, you're just printing money. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year to everyone. January, first Wednesday of January, we're going to be back again. We're going to see if we can go for 10 out of 13 sold at or above asking price live. And by then we might have the AI rolled out to everyone, hopefully. So you guys have yourself a very Merry Christmas. Have fun with your family. Have fun with your friends. And we'll see you guys in the new year.